Hello everyone, we are First Leader. Today we will show you how to use the rotary. This is the rotary. Yeah, this is the key, and this is holder. Number 2, number 1. Now next we will show you how to put this holder on the rotary. Let's see it's outer holder. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. Yeah, these 3 holder. Okay, next we show you how to install this 3 holder on the rotary. Let's put this 3 holder one by one. Follow the number on rotary. Number 1 holder put in the position 1. Number 2 holder put in the position 2. And number 3 holder put in the number 3. Make sure it's all holder exactly in the right position, because the holder is 3 different holder. After this 3 holder in position, and turning the key in clockwise to lock this 3 holder on the rotary. Yeah, this is the inside holder can catch this cap from inside. Next, we show you another tab, the holder from outside. Yeah, also, we have to check the number on this holder, number 1, 2, 3. Follow the number on the rotary. Make sure it's in the right position. Yeah, same as last one. Lock this 3 holder on the rotary. Heading up, locking this cap, stable. Is it ready to marking now? Next, we will show you how to adjust this angle to marking this. How to adjust this angle? How to marking on cone shape of the kit. I will see the cup is not right cylinder cup. It's like a cone shape. You can select this bolt. And another one. Yeah. Now this rotary head is select. You can adjust this angle. Better, you can use a horizon ruler, level ruler, to check this surface is on the horizon level. Then tighten up the bolt. Make this upper surface on the horizon level. Yeah, now it's ready to marking. Next, we will show you how to connect this rotary cable to main control box. Yeah, put the rotary cable connect to the second one socket. It's named rotary. Rotate. Yeah, second one. Let's put it in this position. Heading up. Connection is ready. Next step, we show you how to marking a text on stainless cylinder by rotary. Let's input a text. Now we change this text to our company name, Foster Laser. Apply it and click the origin, send this letter to the middle of the screen. Then click the hatch. Change the line speed to 0.08 millimeter. And click OK. Fill up black color. Now we can click the keyboard control and left arrow to turn this word along this y-axis. On the right side of your screen, you can see there are some parameter. We change the speed to 500 millimeter per second, and the power we set is to 30%, and the frequency is 30%. We already tested this parameter is good for our material. Next, click the laser, select the rotary text mark. Parameter, click the enable, do not select the inward. Yeah, select the y-axis. Because we use the y-axis this time. The pulse, we select 1 to 800. This rotate axis, and the part diameter we input 80 millimeter because we already measure this cylinder diameter is 80 millimeter. It's very important part. Please confirm it. It's confirmed with your cylinder diameter. Click the red. You can see the box on cylinder. Before marking, you have confirmed this focus length is okay. For this length, this focus length is 160 millimeter. We are already tested. This focus length is okay for us. Next, we start marking. Foster laser. Foster laser. You can see the effect is good, right? Very good marking job. Foster laser. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. Okay, everyone. Next step, we show you how to marking this vector picture by rotary on a stainless cylinder. First, the input vector file to this software. We have one company logo. It's a vector picture. It's a poster laser equipment. Now the turn this picture unclockwise because we use this rotary on the right side of this working table. You can choose another direction. Change the size to 40 by 70 millimeter and click the origin. Send this picture to the middle of the screen. Then click the height. See some parameter. Line speed, so we made 0.08 millimeters. And click OK. Now the picture is filling up by black color. After you can see on the right side of the screen some parameters we can make some setting like the speed we made 500 per second and power we made 20%. Next, click the laser button on top of the screen and click the rotary mark. Yeah, you can see the control screen and select enable. We don't select the invert because we use this y-axis and put the rotary on the right side of the working table. Now we select the y-axis and the pulse we select 12,800 and the rotary axis we input the 99 millimeter because we just calibrate this diameter of this cylinder. Diameter is 99 millimeter. We input the 99 millimeter and confirm it. Yeah, select the false or slipped because this is a vector picture. We this marking machine, marking is have to cutting to several parts. Every part we made is 1 millimeter. And we click the red button. We can see a red light on the cylinder. Yeah, small red box is wide is 1 millimeter. Next, we select mark button to start marking job on the cylinder. Before marking, we have to confirm this focus length is ready to marking. Now we use this field length is the focus length is 160 millimeter. It means from this field length to this object length is 160 millimeter. We tested this focus length is okay. So do not forget this. This is very important. Okay, now we start marking. Click the mark button or F2 button on keyboard. This is our company logo, First Laser. Quiet, high precision, and a good job, right? This is our laser machine. Only doing good job. Yeah, job was done. Nice, yeah. Fun work, right? Both the laser. Thank you, everyone.